Last week, we talked about the various emergency power system setups, how they work, and what they can power in your home. After doing a little research, you may find it hard to get everything you need in one place to have an emergency power system installed. Wouldn't it be helpful if there was a kit dedicated to emergency power systems? Look no more. AC Connectors has your back with 2 emergency power kits for your needs. Each kit includes an inlet box, a matching 25-foot extension cord, and 4 adapters to get power from nearly any generator with any power rating. 2 kits with the same exact products listed, so what are the differences? The first kit, the EPL 1430 kit, is built around a NEMA L1430 inlet box. This means you can get up to 30 amp, 7,500 watt service from a generator into your home. The second kit, the EPL 1420 kit, has an NEMA L1420 inlet box, allowing you to get up to 20 amp, 5,000 watt service from a generator into your home. 3 of the 4 adapters included are the same for both kits. These allow you to adapt to a NEMA 515 or NEMA 520 household outlet, a NEMA TT30 travel trailer outlet, which is commonly seen at campgrounds, and a NEMA L530 3-prong 30 amp locking outlet. The 4th adapter depends on the kit you order. If you order EPL 1430 kit, you will get an adapter for a NEMA L1420 locking outlet. If you order an EPL 1420 kit, you will get an adapter for NEMA L1430 locking outlet. Depending on which outlet you use on the generator, you can power many different things from a clock radio to a microwave. Please click the link in the description below to better understand how many watts each outlet can provide, and the household items you can use based on the wattage. Like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos just like this one. Shoot us an email if there's a topic you'd like to see us cover. Thank you for watching.